I always found growing up that for me, I would always go to a hook position or I'd do a sweep or something to get out of a squat position. I'd never just like go to a B-boy squat and then get up somehow. Or if I did, it was kind of a very basic way. So I want to kind of give you guys examples of like 10-ish different ways of doing get-ups from a squat position. So yeah, hope this helped. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash button for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for stopping by. Peace out. One love. Thanks. Bye.
Love is love.